I was struggling in Chennai for last 3-4 years. He diagnosed it to the basic what was the root cause of the problem. He is now able, he used to fall always. पहले वो बार बार गिर जाता था, चल भी नहीं पाता था. His legs were moving apart. Now, after his treatment for last 10-15 days, he is able to walk in a very normal way. And I think so many child in this world are facing similar problems. आपकी जो संस्था है, आपकी जो मेहनत है, he is very hard working also, very sincere also. अपने दिल से आई विल टेल फ्रॉम माई हार्ट दैट ही हैज़ डन वंडर. एंड बहुत लोग आकाश जी को जानते भी नहीं होंगे. इनके पास जो कला है, द आर्ट ही हैज़, द साइंस विच ही हैज़, very few people will have that science, and that science can be utilized for the benefit of number of children facing similar problems all over the world. He was a child with my child, so he coped up with him easily. I am Sanjay Kumar Mishra. I am working in a bank in Chennai. I have two sons. The younger son was having lot of problems related to motors, finger dexterity, stability, balancing, coordination with his left part of the body with the right part. I was struggling in Chennai for last 3-4 years. I went to many of the occupational therapists. There also I got my son treated. But I did not find the result which I desired. It was taking a lot of times. My son was not able to cope up with his school curriculum, not able to play properly, mix properly with the children of the school. Then suddenly one day one of my retired colleague, मेरे साथ ही बैंक में काम करते थे, he introduced me to Akash ji. He came for a different problem, but somehow I called him and told about the problem. He diagnosed it to the basic what was the root cause of the problem. Many of the occupational therapists or the doctors, they were not able to diagnose the problem which my child was facing. Dr. Akash ji, he came, he explained me all the problems, and it matched with whatever I was observing in my child. So immediately I told Akash ji to come and just to guide or support or to train or to do all the necessary things which is required to make him a normal child. Dr. Akash took out his time from his busy schedule, and I was lucky that he gave time for 10 days, 10 to 15 days, and in 15 days I could see very what you can say, very big changes in the movement, in the stability, in finger dexterity, and also in his coordination. He is now able, he used to fall always. पहले वो बार बार गिर जाता था, चल भी नहीं पाता था. His legs were moving apart. Now, after his treatment for last 10-15 days, he is able to walk in a very normal way. He is able to, his fingers were all joined together. We cannot make out. All his fingers have now become normal. He is using his fingers very naturally. The coordination of his left and the right part of the body has also improved, and I think so many few people will know the exact reason why what my child was facing. I was going from here and there. looking after very good doctors in Chennai. But luckily, I found I got in touch with Akash ji. I thank my colleague also who introduced him to me, and there's a lot of changes. And I can tell you, I see children going to OT classes and other places for treatment. But the miracle, it can be called as a miracle, because in only 10-15 days my child has improved like anything. To understand the root cause of the problem is the biggest thing which Dr. Akash is having. He has a specialist in neuroscience also, motors also, how the body is moving, what is the coordination required. It is very, very special science, I think, which many people will not be aware of. And Dr. Akash has got that specialty, and I can bet with all my मैं बहुत अच्छे से बोल सकता हूँ कि डॉक्टर आकाश ने मेरे बच्चे को बहुत ही एक नॉर्मल बच्चा बनाया. उनका सहयोग, his cooperation was very good. He was also very cooperative, polite, and very, very helpful. He did not, एक बार भी उनको, he never got angry. Many मतलब treatments which doctors give, they get angry, annoyed, irritated with the behavior of the child, because they are not normal. So Dr. Akash was very, very cordial, friendly with my child. He made him do the things which in a very, very cooperative way, in a very, very polite way, without he made it a very funful for him to do the exercises, to do the activities which he was showing. I wish Akash all the best, and I think so many child in this world are facing similar problems. वो इधर से उधर जाते रहते हैं, उनको जो है सो सही जगह पे ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिल पाता है, और सही जगह पे नहीं मिलने से पैसे की भी बर्बादी होती है, समय की भी बर्बादी, और बच्चा का समय भी, lot of time is wasted in, and these things are very, very critical. If it is spotted early, it can be rectified, it can be improved. I thank Dr. Akash ji and for all the good works, and I think so easy to sports will also will help more children who are having this type of problems to cope up with the normal functioning of their body, to cope up with their teammates, with their classmates, with their friends, and they will lead a very normal life like any other child. I thank आकाश जी, मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ आपका, आपकी जो संस्था है, आपकी जो मेहनत है. ही इज़ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग ऑल्सो, वेरी सिंसियर ऑल्सो, एंड मैं इसलिए जो है सो मैं अपने दिल से, आई विल टेल फ्रॉम माई हार्ट दैट ही हैज़ डन वंडर. एंड बहुत लोग आकाश जी को जानते भी नहीं होंगे. इनके पास जो कला है, द आर्ट ही हैज़, द साइंस विच ही हैज़, very few people will have that science, and that science can be utilized for the benefit of number of children facing similar problems all over the world. He was a child with my child, so he coped up with him easily. I wish sports to science all the best, and I wish that they will help many more children having similar problem in Chennai, all over India also, and many parts of the world also. It will be great if he is able to serve not only in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, in other parts of India also. He has that knowledge, that skills, and that attitude. So I wish him all the best, and the sports to science, the things which will grow, which will help the children and also the agency to help more similar childs. I wish all the best to them. Thank you. Thank you, Akashji. Thank you, Sports to Science, for helping my child. Thank you.